I'd like to dedicate this song to everybody, especially for the victims of the devastating and the wrath of the Typhoon Ondoy, who a lot of people, our Filipino brothers and sisters, suffered a lot in most places in Manila. Only prayers can help us overcome and move on with this tragedy. So let's not lose hope, but instead let us hoping for the best. And I'd like to dedicate this song, "A Wonderful Word," to everybody. I hope you like it. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" They really saying, "I love you." Oh, the baby's crying. I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. God bless all the Filipino people, especially those typhoon victims of Ondoy, and may we have hope and always have faith in God that everything will be okay and we'll be back to normal. God bless us all. Thank you.